some pretty steady rains this morning. It came down really hard earlier. The National Weather Service has issued this wind advisory. It goes on until 4 o'clock, and don't think that the winds are going to die down at 4. The water is just piling up. Right now in Sacramento, it's on the lighter side, so we're getting a little bit of a break, but I don't think that's going to last for very long.
I will show you crazy.